hope you're doing great. I wholeheartedly welcome you all in this video. So, guys, today I am here to present and fill your cup of knowledge with the latest news and updates about www.vadamali.com. So, guys, if you're excited to have something new, then stay tuned with me. Watch the video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel. So, guys, my question for all the Malayalis. Are you love to have some Malayalam TV shows at one place at one time so that you can explore more and more shows according to you? So if yes, guys, you can easily check out the kingdom of vadamali.com. As per the information, the site has all the Malayali shows which are available. As you can see, the episodes are Z Keralam, which is going to get it on 13 August 2020. These are all the episodes which are going to be there on the 13th August. You can check it out. You can easily comment too according to you. The Asian Net serial is there. You can easily go through as per your preferences. You can check it out. So guys, now you can easily watch the adventurous action Malayali movies or shows on Vedamali website. For more information about the shows, guys, you can easily check out the menus given on the site. You can see there are menus given on the website. You can click on the menu. You're going to get options about menu 1, menu 2, menu 3 and so on. You can easily go on the menu and you can check it out when your show and movie will going to be there and at which time and at which date. So guys, the site is created for all those who wanted to watch the entertainment in their hometown language, as all people and all users wanted to see entertainment in their hometown, basically in hometown languages, because they prefer that. The site has all the information embedded about its shows, their cast, about their stories, about their series, when the show will going to get on the website. All the information is there. You can check it out. So guys, before moving ahead, do like and subscribe to our channel, as it will motivate us to do better. So guys, as for the customer reviews, they are very happy because Malayali shows are lovable by all the Malayalis and they're finding it a great platform where they are getting all the shows and movies with their favorite cast, heroines at one place, and they can watch it out from wherever, at any part of the world. They can sit and they can watch on their Android or iOS phone or any phone. So guys, as per the investigation, the site is getting popular in the social media platform as it is spreading its wings and awareing people about their existence and about their shows with new posts and all the inside details. So as a customer, you can easily keep a track on the latest update of the site. So guys, as the social media is concerned, we can easily check it out that it is available on Facebook, YouTube, Google+, Twitter, RSS and Instagram. You can go anywhere. You can check it out, their post about their shows, about their timings. Even you can create your blog. You can sign in for the newsletter. For Google announcement ID admins, you can check out the information on Android and iOS. You can contact them. You can read out their privacy policy, terms of service. You can have the newsletter in the language of the Malayalis. You can easily go through all the Malayali shows, and it is designed by Alina's Design and distributed by Goyabi Templates. All the rights are reserved by the website as per the information. So guys, yes, if you are on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube and other channel, you can easily explore the shows. There are more than 30 to 40 shows available which will be going to telecast on 13th, 12th, 11th August. As per the timings, you can check it out as per your preference. You can go ahead. So guys, if you find our information helpful, do like, share and comment. And for more information and latest news about such like this, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day ahead. Be safe and be informed.